Unlike Dojo, obviously that was not real. So Dojo is real. The Tesla bot will be real. So we think we'll probably have a prototype sometime next year that basically looks like this. And it's intended to be friendly, of course, and navigate through a world built for humans, and eliminate dangerous, repetitive, and boring tasks. We're setting it such that it is, at a mechanical level, at a physical level, you can run away from it, and most likely overpower it. So hopefully that doesn't ever happen, but you never know. So it'll be a light, yeah, anyway, 5 miles an hour. If you can run faster than that, it'll be fine. We've got some really exciting things to show you. I think you'll be pretty impressed. I do want to set some expectations with respect to our Optimus robot. As you know, last year it was just a person in a robot suit. But we've come a long way, and it's I think compared to that, it's going to be very impressive. What we call Bumble C, that's our sort of rough development robot using semi-off-the-shelf actuators. But we actually have gone a step further than that already. The team's done an incredible job. And we actually have an Optimus bot with fully Tesla-designed and built actuators, battery pack, control system, everything. It wasn't quite ready to walk, but I think it will walk in a few weeks. But we wanted to show you the robot, something that's actually fairly close to what will go into production. I think we want to have really fun versions of Optimus, and so that Optimus can both be utilitarian and do tasks, but can also be kind of like a friend and a buddy, and hang out with you. And I'm sure people will think of all sorts of creative uses for this robot. The thing is, once you have the core intelligence and actuators figured out, then you can actually, put all sorts of costumes, I guess, on the robot. I mean, you can make the robot look. You can skin the robot in many different ways.